Hey guys, what is up? It's Andy here from Marijuana SA, back at you with another video. Today we're going to be covering and looking into the Apogee MQ-500 full spectrum Ppfd measurer. So, what are we talking about? Talking about this bad boy. This is the Apogee MQ-500 full spectrum Ppfd measuring device. Let's break it down. What is Apogee, or who is Apogee? Apogee is an American-based company. We are a reseller of their measuring instruments. They've been a leading sort of the whole movement on measurements, and they don't just do cannabis. They obviously do other crops and harvests. Next, what is a Ppfd measuring device? Ppfd is photosynthetic photon flux density, and it's basically replacing what used to be sort of watts per square meter and lumens per square meter. It actually breaks down the spectrum of light that plants can use to photosynthesize, which is grow. But now the important thing to note is this isn't just a ordinary device. It's a full spectrum device, which means it actually goes out of the 300 and out of the 400 to 700 range, and it actually brings in the far reds and the far blues, which is infrared and ultraviolet, which before these full spectrum meters couldn't read. So if you've got a blurple light, you're going to need the MQ-500. What can you use it for? You basically want to be using it in your grow operations. Different stages of the cycle need different levels of Ppfd. Seedlings roughly around the 200, vegging like 400, and flowering like 600 as a very broad approximation. We'll make a whole video of taking this meter into the tent and doing a little bit more detailed analysis on it. But yeah, for now this is just an overview of what it is and what it's used for. So in brief, that's pretty much your idea. So if you want to find out exactly how much light your plants are absorbing from your grow light, get yourselves a Ppfd Apogee MQ-500. If you put it on, you can see it just gives a little figure like that. So obviously not much light going on in this room. Yeah, so it's a very cool tool. We've used it quite extensively over the last couple of days at MSA to map all of our grow lights, and yeah, we've obviously mapped our own grows, and it's been really an interesting, a really interesting exercise. So if you're interested, there are some links below to Apogee, and just so you can find out more about the device. And yeah, hope you guys have a great week, and I'll check you on Friday. Peace and love, guys.